Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a sweet little trick when you're dealing with the old classic stripped door hinge screw holes. So once you remove the old screws, what you want to do is get yourself some drywall anchors. Plastic ones work, metal ones work, whatever you got. So once you remove the screws, move the hinge plate out of the way, obviously. Then put your drywall anchors in. Screw them into place. And from there, all you gotta do is put the hinge back in place, grab your screws, and you're good to go. Good luck. Problem solved.